Say hi. Say hello.
Hello.
Hello vlog.
Hello, vlog.
Everybody's fine.
Fine.
Let's go. Let's take a walk. Go outside. Let's go outside. Oh. What do you think you will put inside in that ano? You will catch ano? Dragonfly?
Yeah.
Nanay is not here. Come on. Look, Nanay. Look for Nanay. Pitch Nanay there. You get Nanay there. Faster. Faster. What? She's there? Oh.
Kami naman nagluto namin bagong manok. Go! Go! Ros, ano kasi manok mo? Tanong mo kay Diday, baka nailabas niya.
Right now. You're right. Where are they going?
No.
Where are they going? Hey, I'm asking you. Where are they going? Where are they going?
To the school.
What? You're going to school. Here, we will catch ano,
Mamaya pagbalik.
grasshopper and dragonfly.
Kuto na ano na, kuto ano na. Oh.
Go to school na.
Dali mo kay ma'am. Kaman.
Say good morning ha. Say good morning.
Ano binigay yung wala sing-ting? Pero ang bilis na lumakad. Hindi pa binigay, basta babalik pa siya dito.
Ayan, aming laan. Naninan yung bunga ng patula. Ayan po. Marami pang kasunod na maliliit. Marami pang maliliit. Mga Sabado, marami pa para makukuha dito. Putas yan.
Didit. Ay, teka ko ako ng huwag mo halo dyan.
Ha?
Huwag mo halo.
Just the one.
Ito sa bulsa ko mayroon. Plastic to. Ito.
Wait. No, I can't hear.
Kinakain lang siya ng ibon. Yan. Ayun. Hold in your hand the other fruit. This is the fruit of our harvest. Come on.
Harvest.
Yeah.
Calm water.
Let's go.
Calm.
Let's go now. Let's go. Let's go to
No.
the. Let's go to the tricycle. Let us wait nanay there. Okay. Come on. Walk.
Dada.
Why? Why?
That's no now.
Salamin mo.
Ala, oo nga. Babalik na naman ako. Mayroon pang isa doon.
Oh.
Sa sunod na yan.
Okay.
Uwi na kami. Sila ay maaga pinalabas sa school kaya nagpunta dito sa kubo. Naku po, yung aking insecticide na iwan.
Alin?
Yung insecticide nandun sa loob.
Kukunin mo?
Hindi na.
Pang ano naman yun eh. Huwag ka nang mawag sa akin. Nako.
Ikaw naman kasi abot ng kamay sa kanya. Plano ka na naman ha.
Wanna party? Jump. Hello, Beth.
Halaga, check muna.
Oh, di sa'yo yung ano ha, slippers ha.
Sige.
This is not yours, this is not yours. You have to return this. Change ano, shoes. You wear this shoes.
Huwag ka na magsuot niya.
Okay, pagdating doon.
Oh, sige na.
Yeah?
Ha? Yes, uwi na kami. Sana? Babalik ko na.
Babalik tayo yan. Hindi na yung babalik. Babalik yan, boy. Babalik yan. Aglong! Dalawa mo! Kukulong pa. Kakulong, diba?
Ay, boys. Your shoes, you wear your shoes, oy. No dragonfly.